Authorities have started apprehending violators of the e-vehicle ban along major roads in Metro Manila. Here's the report.
Marvin's e-bike was impounded on Wednesday. He can no longer get it back as he had no license to present.
Nalaman ko nung Biyernes na bawal dumaan yung e-bike ng National Road. Yung tapat ng simbahan kasi, doon naghuli ng illegal parking doon. Tsaka yun yung daanan ko pa uwi. Na-timingan ako doon.
Other violators tried to argue with enforcers.
Kung kayo po, patawid na po dadaan eh. Hindi po diretso mapaibay po yan eh. Pero binabayin niya pa rin po yung kahabaan.
Aside from e-bikes, other light vehicles like e-trikes were apprehended, including this one used by a barangay captain.
May papakrimit kami na tao, humingi kami ng tulong sa City Hall, kaya nagmamadali rin kami. Kasi wala naman kami ibang magamit na sasakyan, kaya nagmamadali kami.
The e-vehicle ban along major roads was supposed to begin on Monday, but the MMDA gave some leeway until Wednesday.
In consideration with the strike, kaya pinagpaliban muna namin yung Lunes at Martes. Hindi naman kami nagkulang sa paabiso at sa public information dissemination. So, hindi yung dahilan yun na hindi nila alam.
They have issued ticket violations to at least 29 e-bikes and 26 e-trike owners. Over 40 e-vehicles, meanwhile, were impounded. Violators have to pay a 2,500 peso penalty and another 2,500 pesos for impounding fee. For News 5, Jenny Dongon, We Are One News.